we doing today, Dodo?
Trying to get the splitter on.
And some new seats, hopefully. Stay tuned. So, welcome to another freezing cold episode of Jason OCD. So, like we said before, today we're going to be working on Dodo's little Corsa. We have a, is it a Leon splitter?
No, it's a proper corsa splitter.
Corsa?
Proper corsa D, B, C splitter.
It's the lower splitters anyway, what you put on the lower grille. They were originally on the Seats, whatever, I can't remember off the top of my head. I've got one on my coupe and Dodo now wants to put one on the front of his Corsa. So we're going to do that first, which means we have to take the bumper off and everything else. When we fitted this bumper a couple of months ago as well, we didn't fit it very well. So we're going to take the bumper off first, fit that, and then hopefully, if we get that done quick enough, we might be fitting some new front seats. So this is the split we're going to be fitting on the bottom of the Corsa, because obviously these are originally from Seat, whatever they're called, Leons or whatever rubbish they are. We're going to screw them to the bottom of the bumper from these bits here. So what I want to do first is drill holes along here, so then when we fit it on the car we can screw it up to the bottom there as well, and then we'll have to do something with this bit. So now we've drilled all the holes in the bottom of the splitter, what we need to do now is we need to kind of just roughly measure it, just make sure it's nice and centre, and then we're going to screw it in. We're going to obviously attach it properly, but it is going to be a very temporary fit, because this bumper really needs painting, and it is a job we're going to do when the weather sorts itself out. So how's that looking, Der?
Yeah, it's probably
Sweet, mate. So let's do that. And there we have it. So split is on, like I say, very temporary fix at the minute. So what we're going to do now is we just need to cut these little end taps down a little bit, and then it's time to get the bumper back on. To Dodo again for bringing his car down, for giving me something to work on and distracting me from actually doing what I'm meant to be doing or working on the coupe. We never got around to fitting the seats in his Corsa, but I thought I'd tell you about them anyway. So these are the seats what are going in. These are the GSI Recaros, which were originally meant to be going in my coupe, but something else has came along. I don't want to tell you about it yet because it's a surprise, but they're not going in there anymore. Something else is. So they will be going in the Corsa. I think the Corsa I think it deserves its own little video one day, and we'll probably do a little build breakdown because it's had quite a lot of work done to it, and it is quite a cool little car, and we're going to be making quite a few videos on it as well. So I think one day we'll do like a proper little video of it, and yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
We're going to end the video today.
What?
That's where we're going to end the video today.
What?
That's where we're going to end the video today.
Don't shout at me, unit man. I've got neighbours. So that's where we're going to end this video for today. Thanks again for watching. See you in a couple of days. Peace. No, B's for Bill does that. How should I end it, Danny?
Bye, peeps.
Bye, peeps. See you in a couple of days.
Scene 2, take 4.
Recorded.
Are you?
Yeah. So this is a split we're going to be fitting on the bottom. Now. So what we need to do now is stop laughing.
So what we doing?
Fitting the splitter.
So as you can see here, he's trying to mingle the splitter on so we can get it.
Mingle the splitter.
Ah.
Mingle the splitter. Snow is falling all around me.
Do the red one.
So that's where we're going to end this video for tonight. It's not even night time, it's daytime. So that's where we're going to end this video for today. Start again. So that's where we're going to... Mate, it's annoying. Making a video is so hard. You do it for us, Dodo. Yes! Damn it. Are you recording again? No. God damn it. I can't help myself. Say it, damn it. Peace out. No, not that. That's where we end the video for. God, he's so stupid.
So that's where we're going to end the show. See you next week, guys.